Are all hybrid technologies the same? Far from it. In fact, there are three main types of hybrid powertrains, each with their own unique characteristics. First, the full hybrid design strikes a balance with its gas engine and electric motor, each being able to power the vehicle independently or combined with one another. This is how Toyota's hybrid synergy drive is designed on vehicles like Prius, with a power split device and a computer that determines when to use each power source for maximum efficiency. Next, a mild hybrid features an electric motor that can assist the gas engine during acceleration, while also generating energy when coasting and braking. Brands like Honda, GM, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz have used this design in some of their hybrid vehicles. Problem is, mild hybrids tend to have weaker fuel economy numbers than full hybrids because the electric motor can't power the vehicle independently like on a full hybrid. And then, on the other end of the spectrum sits the plug-in hybrid. This design is similar to a full hybrid, just with a much larger battery that helps allow for extended EV capability. For instance, plug-in hybrids like Toyota's RAV4 Prime can drive 42 miles solely on battery power before needing to use the engine. So, given these different designs, it's clear that Toyota produces the best all-around hybrid vehicles on the market, whether plug-in for all-electric driving or full hybrid models for that perfect balance.